First grade friends, Mrs. Hannah here, and I'm ready for our final step in Steps for Writing. Okay, so yesterday I showed you my story of Writing in the Creek. I showed you how to revise and edit my writing piece, and I hope that you went back and you looked at your writing piece and you revised and edited. So today I'm going to take my story and I am going to publish it. So I'm going to show you this page. It says published class story. This is actually your own story. But we're going to use this paper, or you're using your own paper at home, to write your story one more time, to make sure that you're using your best handwriting, that you are putting spaces between each word, and you can even add a cover. We're going to add a title today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to our brainstorming page. You remember this? I hope you still have this. This is going to be your opening sentence. So right here you're going to have that one time I rode my bike in the creek. Your story is going to sound different. Remember, your experience is not my experience. But I'm sharing mine with you today so that you have an idea of how the story is going to go from brainstorming to drafting and to publishing. So my sentence, or my story, is going to start with one time I rode my bike in the creek. So that's how I'm going to begin my story. And then after I write that sentence, then I'm going on to my next page, which is the order of my story. This is the story that you wrote yesterday, and you edited and you revised, made sure that you have it ready for today. Okay, so it's going to go like this. Sometimes authors come up with the title of a story before they write. Sometimes they think of the title while they're writing. Or maybe they've written a whole story and then finally at the end they come up with a title for their story. So right here you're going to write the title of your story. So I'm thinking my title would be, I want to make it something catchy that readers and listeners would listen to and they would really like it and they would want to read it. What about Adventures in the Creek? I'm going to do that. Adventures in the Creek is going to be the title of my story. Adventures in the Creek. So my title of my story is Adventures in the Creek. Yours is going to be something different, and I can't wait to hear it. Okay? When I start writing my sentence in my story, I'm going to start right over here on the edge, and I'm going to start with this sentence right here when we were brainstorming one time. So that's how I'm going to start my sentence off. Okay, how I'm going to start my story off. One time, comma, I rode my bike in the creek. So that's already my first sentence. This is the beginning of my story. After you've written your first sentence, then you're going to go to your draft where you wrote the sentences out for the order of your story. First, next, then, and last. So you just start writing and copying. So it would look something like this. You don't have to go on to the next line. You can just keep writing. So you're going to write the word first. So I still have space on this line, so I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to say, first, my brothers and I helped my dad put the bikes in his truck. Period. Okay? So I already have two sentences down for my story. I'm just looking at this and copying it down in my best handwriting, making sure that there are spaces between my words. I'm going to keep writing until I'm finished. I might even need another page. Look, I only have 2 more lines, so I'm going to ask my teacher, oh, wait, I'm the teacher. I'm going to get another piece of paper, and I'm going to keep writing my story. If your story is too long for your paper, get another piece of paper. Keep writing your story. When you're finished writing your story, this is your published piece, and you're ready to share. We're going to be sharing our stories on Google Meet for fun, but we're also going to be, you're going to be reading your story, and your parents are going to video your story so that I can hear your story as an audience member, and you can practice on your speaking skills. So that's going to be something that you are going to be doing for an assignment for me, and I can't wait to hear your stories. So if you want to add a picture or a front cover to make your picture or your story more shiny and just ready and more published, you may do so. If you don't want to, that's okay too, because you've already drawn a lot of pictures to think and brainstorm, and you can just have your story like this. Your choice for this assignment. However, I do want you to finish writing your story. I want your parents to video you reading your story and send it to me. We're also going to be sharing on Google Meet so that your other classmates can hear your story as well. I can't wait. I'm so excited, friends. I hope that you've had a great day and that you're ready to write your story. I'll talk to you later. Bye.